With cameras like this that do not come with inbuilt microphone for picking sound or audio around the cameras, you can as well use the external microphones like this one to pick up sound around the camera. This is the microphone itself, and here are the connectors through which you do your various connections, and so I will show you how the connections are done. This sort of camera requires a cable connection, that is the video connection from the DVR into it in this way, and then also the power connection should have gone this way if we were connecting the camera directly. But in a case where we are going to be using this microphone, the power that rather goes into the camera will then have to go into this female DC power connector into the microphone, and this other DC connector from the microphone, this is the microphone, this is what rather goes into the camera to power it up like this. So this is how the connection is done at the microphone side. But we have the audio output from the microphone, sorry. The audio output from the microphone is supposed to be picked from here. So you can plug an RCA cable from here and feed into your DVR. But you can as well use this kind of RCA connector which has a BNC side to it as well. So this is an RCA to BNC, where you can plug the RCA into this one, and because this is a BNC, I can use a coaxial cable with BNC and interface into the microphone. So the microphone connection is complete. You can take this other side into the DVR to feed the sound into the DVR to be heard through the DVR. This is a 4-channel DVR of which I've connected the camera I did the connection for, and because it's a 4-channel DVR, it has 4 audio inputs for each camera that would have been connected. So we can use another RCA connector plugged into the audio inputs so that we can use the BNC with the coaxial plugged onto this one as well to be able to feed the sound into the DVR. So it means that we will be transmitting the audio through the coaxial cable that we connected to the microphone. So by this simple connection, this microphone will be able to pick sound that is around the camera by which we place it. And in this case, this kind of camera, the microphone has to be placed by the camera, and if there is any sound activity around this camera, it will be picked up by the microphone, and that will be fed into the DVR for us. That kind of sound can be recorded so I can play it back, and it will be matched to this camera since we have connected it to the same channel as we have connected the camera. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.